Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have our 2026 Infiniti QX60 autograph. We do have a deep emerald pearl. It's in the showroom. I came in on my day off and I put it in the showroom. I'm like, yes, that's where that thing's going. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I just did a video on a pure. Amazing car. I literally have not driven this off the lot yet. So this is gonna be kind of a learning experience as we go. Hasn't even been cleaned. Came off the truck yesterday. I took all the plastic off just now to go out and do a video. Clips, reference premiere, audio system, sounds phenomenal. It's a really, really good car. Obviously with your autograph, you get captain's chairs in the rear. Panoramic sunroof, of course. New front bumper, new rear bumper. Dark chrome badging, satin steel all the way across the window surrounds, different wheels. Obviously different front bumper, piano key headlights, dark chrome grille, radiant emblem. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't even tell you. Just majestic white over saddle. I know these things like the back of my hands. Sticker 7595, 70,595. Yeah, two-tone. Radiant white. No, it's not majestic. I'm an idiot. 268 horse, 286 pound-feet through a 2-liter variable compression turbocharged 4-cylinder, all routed to the 9-speed torque converter automatic. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna storm. This is all Google based now. So let's do this. Get this activated. Perfect. There you go. Now you have Google Maps built in. You can also say things like, hey Google, set climate control to 68 degrees.
All right, changing the auto climate control to 68 degrees.
So you can do all fun stuff like that. Hey Google, turn on seat fan.
Got it. Turning on seat fan for the driver.
Perfect. Not bad at all. ProPilot 2.1, the full hands-free, that's going to be coming in a little bit. That is part of the autograph technology package, and we don't have those quite yet. We tried to build them and it wouldn't let us. So different trim for the dash, nice contrast stitching throughout. These seats are phenomenal and they are massaging as well. Another big add is a round view camera with all of your different modes. You do have the undercar view, so as you move forward, it's going to map, there you go, what is under the car. Currently there's no camera there. It's using the front camera to relay that information down to the ground. All of your different cameras there. Virtual rearview mirror is a thing still. Wide view for when you're at a stop sign and you need to be able to see around a bush or a hedge or whatever. Let's just do that. Let's go for a drive. Love the new font and the colors of the gauges. It's all supposed to be reminiscent of the infotainment system that's in the QX80 because it's now here. So all the technology that you had in the 80 in terms of the infotainment, the apps, the Google built-in, that is all now in the QX60, which is a huge addition. Such a quiet ride. For 26, they added some more sound deadening to just make that cabin a little bit quieter, and it makes a world of a difference. You have a bunch of different drive modes. You have, let's start at the top, tow, sport, auto, eco, snow. Oh, that's what they are. Idiot. Go into sport mode here. That's gonna adjust your transmission tuning, stuff like that. Oh man, I love this thing. I liked the QX60 anyway. My mother has one, and this just adds a little bit to it, and especially in deep emerald. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. I cannot wait to see our deep emerald stone launch spec car that should be coming soon. Oh yeah, this is impressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.